and you just have to study them of the test. Okay, now let's check the next page. We have round to the nearest 10. This is the number. We have 218, and it should be rounded to the nearest 10. So we just underline the digit, which is the tens place. We look to the right. What do we have in the right? We have number 8. Is number 8 strong enough and rich enough to give number 1 a 1? Yeah, it is. So the number here will be 220. Okay, so it's about 220. Now for this question, round to the nearest 100. Let me tell you something. When we round to the nearest 10, we write the digits on the left. كل المنازل اللي on the left, we write them. We don't delete them, okay? So number 2 here, we don't delete it. It wouldn't die, okay? We just the digits on the right, they will be 0. On the left, they will remain as them, okay? Now round to the nearest 100. 339. How can we round it? We just underline the digit. Which one is the 100? This one. This 3 is the 100. Now what to do? Look to the right. What do we have in the right? We have number 3. Is it good enough and strong enough to give number 3 a 3? No, it can't. So 339 is about 300. So the answer is about 300. It's highly important question. You have to focus. Okay, now round to the nearest 1000. We have 5707, and the digit is the 1000. Now we have 5707. Look to the right. What do we have in the right? We have number 7. Is it strong enough to give the 5 a number? Yeah, it is. So the answer will be, it's about 6. The answer is about 6000. Now round to the nearest dollar. Here we have $68.86, and we will round to the nearest dollar. So this is the dollar's digit, which is the 8 here. Look to the right again. دايما underline the digit, then look to the right. So the first step is to underline the digit. The second step is to look to the right. What do we have in the right? We have number 8. Is it strong enough? Yes, it is. So this one, that $68 is about 69. And don't forget the dollar sign. Okay, يعني بالامتحان لو جبت لكم تقريب dollars and you didn't write the dollar sign, يعني it won't be a good one. الجواب الصح انك تكتب لي $69. لو كتبت لي 69 without the dollar sign راح يكون خطأ. Okay, when we are talking about money, don't forget the dollar sign. Okay, it's highly important. ركزوا لي على rounding. It's highly important. Now align, then add or subtract. It's so easy. I will leave it on you. You just have to do something. Align the digits. Okay, you have to align the digits. What do we mean by align the digit? The ones under the ones, the tens under the tens, and the hundreds under the hundred. So question number 18, 19, and 20 are on you. Here we have 3 addends. عندكم طريقتين للحل. You can add the first 2 all together. You can add the first 2 all together. Okay. I'm sorry, let me just start all over. You can add them all together, then the sum we add it to the third addend, أو إنه we can align them down each other. So we align 3 addends down each other, then we just make the addition. فهذا السؤال مهم لما بيكون في عنا 3 addends مش بس 2 addends. Okay, 1 2 3. and بالمناسبة now we are learning about multiplication مش داخل معنا بالامتحان، بس عشان تعرفوا في الاديشن sentence هاي اسمها addend وهاي اسمها addend وهاي اسمها addend. في المultiplication sentence بيكون اسمهم factors. عشان تعرفوا ايش الفرق بين الادندز والفاكتورز، الادندز بيكونوا في الاديشن sentence addend plus addend plus addend. Okay, so what is the name for each one of these? This is an addend. Okay, addend. Oh, is it addend? Okay, addend. This is an addend. Okay, now for this one I will do it for you. Why? Because we have a decimal point. طيب, first we write the dollar sign, then we write a decimal point, then we have 7 4. Okay, this is the first number. Now let's check the second number. We write a dollar sign, and don't forget to write a decimal point, then we write just 8 and 1. Okay, now I will try to align them as إنه أنا هون. Okay, that's good. Now let's just try to make the addition process. Okay, now we have 4 plus 1, the answer is 5, so we write 5. And we have 7 plus 8, the answer is 15, so we write 5 here, then we add a decimal point under the decimal point, and we regroup the one of 15, we regroup it here, we write it here 1. Okay, and finally we just write the dollar sign, so the answer is $1.55. Okay, كيف منحل هذا السؤال؟ One thing is highly important is to align the decimal point under the decimal point. Don't forget to do this. For this question it will be the same, so do it and send me your answers. لأنه يعني you have to understand إنه إحنا هون لازم نرتب الديسيمال point تحت الديسيمال point. Okay, now all the same, we have addition, we have subtraction, don't forget regrouping, okay. Now for this one how to do regrouping, we simply take from the neighbor. Okay, so I don't think we need a revision for regrouping, but it's highly important. جايكم سؤال regrouping في الامتحان, so it's highly important. You have to know how to do regrouping. Then let's go to the third page, which is problem solving. Okay, now for problem solving I will do this problem for you, which is number 30. Calvin has $28.45 in his pocket. What is the least number of bills and coins he could have? So here Calvin has